How to sign up and use DeepSeek AI for free without verification code. Let's get started. Yes, you heard it right. Now, without verification code, you are able to sign up for DeepSeek. Let me show you how. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website DeepSeek, type in DeepSeek AI and then search for it. Now, click on this one website option, deepseek.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Click on the option Start Now. You'll be prompted to enter the credentials to log into your account. To sign up, you'll get the option of sign up. But what you have to do is click on the option of login with Google. With that, you'll find the list of the Gmail accounts that you are using in your device. Select any of it. Now click on continue. And just with that, you have registered for DeepSeek AI without verification code. Now you are able to use DeepSeek AI. So this way, you can easily sign up and use DeepSeek AI for free without any verification code. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.